How to fix Instagram comments not showing. Here are a few solutions to fix the comments not showing on Instagram. Let's start with check internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Sometimes a weak connection will cause a problem for loading of comments. If this is not the issue, then try next. Update Instagram app. Open the App Store app. Next, at the bottom, click on the search bar and search for the Instagram app. After that, from the results, tap on the Instagram app. If you have an update available, then update the app. Make sure you have installed the latest version of the app. Now, open the app and check whether the comments are loading or not. If it is not working, then offload the app. First, open the Settings app and scroll down, tap on General. Now click on the iPhone storage option, then scroll to find the Instagram app and tap on it. Here, you will see the app details, then click on Offload app. A pop-up will appear, tap on Offload app to confirm. This will uninstall the app from the device and free up the storage used by the app. Now, reinstall the app and check if the comments are loading or not. If it is not working, then try. Force restart. Press and release the volume up button and press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then release the side buttons and your phone will restart shortly. After restarting the device, check if the comments are loading or not. This might fix the issue. Even after trying all the steps, the issue can't resolve then. Contact Instagram support. Go back to the app homepage and click on the profile icon. Now tap on the hamburger icon. Here, scroll down to the More Info and Support section and click on Help. Next, tap on Report a Problem. And again, click on it. After that, tap on Include and Continue. Now, type the message about the problem and click on Send. The support team will get back to you, and that's it.